So as y'all know, we are learning about monkeys this week, monkeys and apes. And monkeys and apes use their toes to grab things. So what we're gonna try out today is we're gonna pretend to be monkeys, and we are going to get some cotton balls and grab them with our toes and see if we can put them in a bowl. So let's give it a try. Alrighty, so do monkeys use their hands or their feet?
Feet.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is we have cotton balls and a bowl. You're gonna use your monkey toes to pick up the cotton balls and put them into the bowl.
Okay.
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
What sound do monkeys make?
Over there by Emma.
Alright.
I'm gonna pick up 2.
Ooh, you got 2 at a time.
Oh, you found my shoes.
Yeah, he's getting a lot.
I'm gonna try to
Get it?
Oh, it's 7.
Ready? Go! He's getting 3 at a time. You make it look easy, Papa.
But it is.
Let's see how fast I can go. Oh. Look, it's super easy. You just get it, squeeze it with your toes like a monkey, and boom.
What am I doing?
Wow! Do it again. Ooh, you're a good monkey.
I told me to do all of it.
Yeah, do all of them.
Yeah. I felt so bad right now. Oh, gee.
So as you see, it's super fun and super easy to be a monkey, so I hope y'all give this a try, and I'll see you soon. Bye.